Hello. Today I will show you how to replace the old and damaged earpads cushions of the fresh Rebel Clam ANC headphones. As you can see, these ear cups are completely dead, unusable. This is the first time I heard about such a headphone manufacturer. Also Techscrew had to think how to remove them. The traditional way of taking them off with fingers doesn't work. To remove these old earpads, you take a slotted screwdriver and stick it behind the edge of the earpad and slowly break it off. Just be careful not to scratch the edge of the plastic like I did. Do this in several places and the earpad will come off. As you can see, the earpad is held in place by 4 plastic hooks. Here is the biggest problem, because I could not find this type of mount earpads. You can try to tear off the old earpad cushions and glue new ones in place, but it will be easier to become an astronaut. I found an easier option. I found these round earpads, 10 centimeters in diameter, and another oval-shaped HyperX Cloud 2 earpads. I will put both type earpads on, so you can see what they look like. They need to be pulled over the edge of the headphone housing. Do the same with the other earpad. Slide the edge of the earpad over the housing of the headset. There is the result too, both look good. The plastic hooks on the bottom don't get in the way either, they just help to lock the earpad cushions, so they don't rotate. For me personally, I like the oval HyperX Cloud headset earpads better, but it's a matter of taste, who prefers the round ones, who prefers the oval ones. After testing on my head, I put both oval ones on, they gave me the best comfort. Links to new replacement earpads will be in the video description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe Techscrew channel to help me grow and make many more good money saving videos. Thanks.